So how exactly being good? I talking on the subject, how exactly being digital in this particular scenario. See, what is the being digital? So one is, today morning he was talking about how exactly you can program your mind. So mind, how you want to become a heaven, want to be in the heaven. So you have to change your mind. You have to program your mind to become heaven. So similar concept, I'm talking about how exactly being good. So if you are, what is the quality of your life is quality of your communication. How exactly, I'm on the same line I was expressing. So how exactly your quality of life depends upon your quality of communication. That is the one is internal communication. How exactly you are communicate yourself. That is very, very important. How exactly you are bringing a kind of a self-managing leadership. So what just now talking about three areas where how exactly your network, how exactly you are giving a personal effectiveness, how exactly you are stakeholder focus, how you are doing, that is itself is a leading self. How are we doing that? How exactly we are program our mind, that is very, very important. And this topic only I just start, that's what we were talking about gadgets. Just having gadget is not a showpiece. That's because in the being good, one is being good, one is feeling good, another one is looking good. So more focus we are putting on looking good, feeling good. But being good, we have forgotten. So if you do that, being good, that happiness automatically come into picture. So whatever gadgets is there, how exactly we can use this gadget, and then people can make use, well, we should be make it simple and workable model. That is what I am talking on this subject. Being good is stay connected and updated. How exactly we are updating our presence visibility. So when I looking this particular, I am from GMR, we are creating tomorrow today. So that is a punchline on which we have started the journey. I just looked into in GMR different generation. How do we make our IT as a smart, dynamic and smart to the GMRites? So all of you know, Generation W initiated IT, Generation X grown with IT, then Generation Y is born in IT. Some of them generation spoiled in IT. How do we overcome all this, and then how do we put them in a collaborative mode? So that is what I started is moving from proprietary device centric to integrated software centric model. So there is a 3C concept I started: coordination, collaboration, communication. How exactly GMR as a company is working in a diversified area, how exactly system and technology can be seamless, communication should be seamless. Collaborative platform for enable our people and partner to work across the boundary and time zones seamlessly. That's what the total scenario we brought into scenario is integrated unified communication. So that is a scenario on which just now I just connected my system. Okay, I just show you how we are connected our infrastructure. See, this is my boardroom now. So I can connect to that. I can have interaction. Today is a second Saturday, is a Saturday half day. So no one there, but we can have interaction sitting from here, wherever on the move, I can able to reach the people and talk. Same way, our business people are able to use this technology wherever they are. So that make this, I put the punchline, WAWA, work anytime, work anywhere. So that is started, WAWA architecture, and then we moving to double WAWA, work anytime, work anywhere, work any device, work any application. So that is going to be a reality. This particular digital wallet, it is going to be valid, it is going to be a future. How exactly we are making this all in our hand, how exactly we bring this particular technology to the people. This is my communicator. Okay, I'll just see the presence. So I can reach any person. I can just, this is my virtual bridge on which I can able to reach any person. The presence visibility available. Now I am already on the call. So different way how exactly person can communicate to different media on which he can able to communicate to the person. This is what it shows the diagram. Through VoIP, even video multi-conferencing bridge, and then live meeting, and instant messages, and mail, and calendar. So everything is synchronized. So, SMS synchronization also we are done. Okay. So this is a scenario I just last time. Calendar synchronization available. The same presence integration will be visible there. Then contact, all the information available, contact information of the total company available on fingertips. Voicemail available. It can, whatever voicemail it comes to my desk, it will be available on my device. And then we create a work on the move. All our intranet is available for the people wherever they are. So this is a complete document. Everything is available on the one single repository, and then it is integrated with mobile SharePoint 2010 meeting workspace. So it is available. OneNote is integrated. So I can this complete. This is what the multi-conference people can have, and then we can come to any bridge and then have an interaction. We also created a VC on the wheel. People, wherever in demand, it is available for the people to do. So that way we are able to save huge cost. We already saved 15 crore rupees on this particular. Investing is much less. This is my Wawa. Thank you. Everything is free. So interoperability, we are done.